Okay, this is Nervous Nick. This is unboxing of the Oukitel WP5 Pro. It's a rugged smartphone. I say Oukitel, but it's spelled Oukitel. I think it is. Oukitel or Oukitel. Let me see. I'm gonna try and do this with one arm, so it might be a little jerky. Try and get there. Guess I should have opened the box first. Cut my hand off here. Oukitel. Hope they sent the right one. Oh, check out my link to, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Check out my link to Patreon. I've been posting more content over there. And I got cheaper tiers over there, too. This little plastic wrap here. Let's get rid of the box. Okay, hold on. I'm going to give it a tear here. I'm going to lose you guys for a second. I don't want to hit pause because I lost the video last time I did that. Let me see here. Hold on. All right. More wrap. Bubble wrap. Oh, leave comments. Leave me comments down in there. Hit that like button, thumbs up. Oukitel, there it is. Oukitel. I don't know how you pronounce that. Alright, here. I know I've been slow posting the last couple weeks here. Let's see here. I'm going to have to hit this with a knife again. Let's look at this. Oh, here we go. Okay, there it is. Oukitel WP5 Pro. It's 5.5 inch screen. Android 10. Octa-core processor. 4 gigs of RAM. Okay, now make sure you get the Pro edition if you're gonna get this, because it's got the more internal memory, the 64 there. See it? Right there. 64. And I almost ordered the wrong one on this one. I almost got 32, so rear camera 13 megapixels, how do they say that? 5 megapixels in the front. GPS. Oh, here's the main reason I went with this. This is a rugged smartphone. The battery, it's got an 8,000 mAh. That's milliamps, milliamp hours battery, and you know, you can't find these big batteries without getting a rugged phone, so I wanted a rugged phone anyway. But I got it back up to, my last phone I had Android 11 on there. I upgraded, it upgraded me. This one starts out with 10, so we'll go backwards there. And then, let's see here. There's Oukitel. Okay, I'll leave a link. I'll leave affiliated link to the site, and if you go on there and if you go through my link, it'll be down in the descriptions. You know, my channel will earn $1 or $2 from your purchase, and it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't charge you any more extra for the phone. You actually might get a better deal if you go through my link. You got an affiliated link for that one. Okay, here we go. Let's crack in here and see what we get. knife. Lose you for 1 second. Okay. Oh, there, this arm. I'm trying to hold it with my hands to get it in tighter so you can see everything. It's a wrap on top here. Yeah, looks like the right one. The Pro. Get rid of that. Get rid of that bubble wrap, whatever that is. The Pro. Oh, I was worried about this thing right here. Oh, they sent me one for the U.S. I've seen a lot of them come with the Europe one. So this is the plug-in. This is the charger. Get a little charger there. Shows how many watts. How many. I'll probably use the one from my old phone. I think it's stronger than this. Get a little instruction manual here. Tells you all the different buttons on the phone. Let's see what else we get. Warranty card. Maybe I'll fill that out. There's some safety stuff on this one. Okay. And USB cord that hooks to the charger. And the little one, what would that be? Oh, I think that's for transferring stuff over from maybe another phone. But here's your cord for the. This is your cord for the, for the end of the charger here. Just plug it in there in the wall. Okay, so we got. Let's see what we get. It shipped pretty quick. It came Amazon, like 2 days. Oh, I can tell you, it's got some heft to it. And that right there, it's a key for, when you put the SD card in there, and you want to have more memory, you're going to stick this in the side. You're going to push this in the side of the phone. There should be a little hole. And there it is right there. Right on the left side of that red button there. This ain't coming out too clear here. Let me see. Let me try to put the light on. Oh, there we go. Let me see here. One of the holes, and then it'll pop out. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I went with the orange. It's black. Basically, it's black. But I went with the orange highlights on the back. You get orange or red. It's just got a little bit of orange there. And we're going to take off this one. I can't remember what was under this one. Nothing. So we'll put that off to the side. There's your camera. Those are screws. Let's see here. You got your volume on and off button, volume up and down. Over here on the right side. Yeah, I don't know how much bloatware they got in here. Let's see if she turns on without charging it. Here it comes. Might as well take that sticker off the front there. She's trying to power up. Let's see what we get. Usually you want to plug it in first. It'll come with a little bit of charge in there. Plug it in, let it charge for a couple hours. Don't overcharge. The worst thing you can do for the battery is overcharging. Once it gets towards 100%, gets up to about 95, go ahead and unplug it. If you want to ride it all the way out, though, don't let it sit at 100 too long. You know, time your phone how long it takes to charge, hour and a half, and then when you know it's getting there, go check it. The worst thing that kills the battery is when you guys overcharge them. Leave it on there 3-4 hours. Okay. Start. Oh, it's showing the charge right there in the top corner. Don't show. What is that, 79? Wow. 79% charged. And this is a 5.5 screen size. I can tell you there's some heft there, though. It feels like twice as heavy as my last phone. With that big battery in there. Ain't too bad, though. Man, it feels nice. And it's not slipping out of my hand like all these phones do, these smartphones. It's got a nice grip in the back. These ridges here, I guess. And let's see. I guess that's a wrap for the day. Because I'm going to go in here and start this thing up. Let's see. Just hit a couple spots before I lose you guys. Connect to the mobile network. I gotta put the cards in there. I gotta get them out of the other phone. So basically we're in now. She started. This is the 5.5 inch Oukitel WP5 Pro. WP5 Pro. I'll send a link. I'll put a link down in the descriptions in case you guys want to check out the website. This is a nice phone. Maybe I'll do another video later on it after I get it set up. We'll check out all the bloatware on there. Oh, there's Skip right there. Oh, there's some see all Wi-Fi. It's not showing my Wi-Fi. So we'll have to figure it out. All right, I'll make another video soon about this one. All right. Okay. I'm out. This is Nervous Nick. I'll see you in the next one.